Mexican tariffs are roiling US congressional campaign in statewide US. Exporters could take it and President Donald Trump's Republicans faced off race in November congressional election. Mexico announced the levy this week in retaliation to Trump's decision to slap tariffs on metal import from Mexico and other countries. They fall on only about $3 billion in US. Export, but were crafted to have a very specific focus on vulnerable Republicans, said one senior Mexican official who asked not to be named. We wanted to ensure that the issue is a top priority for key decision makers at the highest level, said another Mexican official who requested anonymity. The tariffs could hit American apple growers in Washington state, cheesemakers in California and pork producers in Iowa, Virginia and Colorado. Apples are grown in Washington's 8th congressional district where U.S. Representative Dave Reicher, a Republican, is retiring Mexico slapped a 20% tax on fresh U.S. apples, and Democratic candidate Kim Sheridan hammered the Republican opponent, saying the local economy will suffer. Apples are one of 71 U.S. products targeted by Mexico, which is also in talks with the United States and Canada to renegotiate the North American Free Trade Agreement. Last year, Washington State exported $126 million in fresh apples to Mexico, paying zero tariffs thanks to the NAFTA agreement. He held Republican opponent Dino Rossi accountable for President Trump's dangerous policies, said Sheridan. However, Rossi, the Republican frontrunner since Reicher announced his retirement, has distanced himself from Trump's trade policies. His campaign manager, Andrew Bell, said, did no support removing trade barriers that tax Washington farmers, consumers and businesses. Roughly 3 dozen House races are widely seen as competitive this year. Democrats need to pick up 23 seats to take control of the House. Mexico's tariffs also target several types of pork products. Pork, one of America's top exports to Mexico, is a major export from Iowa and Colorado, where Republicans faced off race. In Iowa, pigs outnumber people 7-1. Democrat Abby Finkenauer, since standing a good chance of winning the Winston congressional district from Republican control, said Trump was starting a trade war that would hurt the state. Colorado sent Mexico more than $120 million in fresh or frozen bone-in pork shoulders last year. Mexico's retaliatory tariffs will hurt Colorado, and the blame lies squarely with President Trump and the congressional Republicans who enable his destructive policies, said Jason Crow, a Democratic candidate for the state's 6th congressional district. Crow said the district is Republican incumbent, Mike Coffman, shares blaming triggering Mexican tariffs. Coffman's campaign manager, Tyler Sandberg, disputed the charge, saying that Coffman opposed Trump's action to raise tariffs on Mexico and other countries. Mexico's tariffs also target grated powdered cheese, which could take a bit of the significant dairy economy in California's DSTH congressional district where Republican Jeff Denham is seen facing a tight race. California sans Mexico $77 millions in grated or powdered cheese last year, according to US Census Bureau data. About 10% of the state's milk output comes from Stanislaus County, which is in the DSTH congressional district, according to data from the California Department of Agriculture. Reporting by Jason Lange in Washington and Anthony Esposito in Mexico.